It started like any other day. Nothing felt different. That was the strange part.
People went to work, bought coffee, made plans for later.
Somewhere far away, the ground began to move. Deep beneath the surface, pressure had been building for centuries. One volcano erupted. Then, another.
And then, all of them.
Every active volcano on Earth erupting at the same moment.
The sky began to disappear. Daylight faded. Not suddenly. Slowly, planes fell from the sky. There was nowhere safe to land.
Electricity failed. The world went quiet.
Breathing became difficult. Every breath tasted like dust.
The sun was still there. We just couldn't see it.
The planet began to cool, faster than anyone expected. Plants stopped growing. Food became a memory.
Animals disappeared first. Humans followed.
The oceans changed. Life inside them couldn't adapt.
Some went underground. Others never made it that far. Cities became monuments to a species that once lived there. Scientists would later call it a volcanic winter. From space, Earth looked silent. Those who survived learned to live without hope.
Survival became routine, not living, just surviving.
The eruptions eventually stopped. The damage didn't.
Years passed. The sun returned slowly.
Life tried again, carefully.
Humanity changed permanently.
The old world stayed buried.
Earth survived, as it always does.
It wasn't personal. It never is. The planet didn't need us. We needed it.
The world became quieter, smaller.
And somehow, more honest.
The planet healed. Slowly.
It was the end of the world we built. Nature moved on like it always does.
Our marks faded quickly.
The planet healed. Slowly.
didn't end in fire. It ended almost normally.